As Maya is forcing you to drag you from this Krishna consciousness, you also force Maya by chanting Hare Krishna. There is fight. And Maya will go away. Devi jesa gunamayo maya durattaya mami uja prapadanti mayami tang tarantite. This Maya is very strong. She will force you to entice you to other path. But if you become strong, if you chant loudly, just like Haridas Thakur was chanting, and Maya could not victimize him. You know that? What was his strength? Simply chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Maya could not entice. Maya failed. Maya became his disciple. He did not become Maya's disciple. This is